I think we are not in India, we are in Nevada, USA.
You've been to Nevada?
Texas. No, I haven't. I'm just making things up. Looks like school has already started. It started quite early actually. It's not even 7:30 in the morning. Courageous young Indians. Anyway, good morning people. Very happy to see you for a new video. This morning I'm leaving the still sleepy village of Dhankar. I'm going to trek to a lake that's beyond that ridge there. It shouldn't be too long. I think it's 45 minutes to an hour trek. So let's see how I go. I'm quite tired this morning. I was actually supposed to meet with other Indian people, other riders that I met yesterday, but they're nowhere to be found. I suppose they still passed out, snoring. We're all quite tired last night after riding in such a road. You know, it takes a toll on your back, doesn't it? In this a little bit chilly morning, going on a trek, sorry, discovering this apparently beautiful lake. So very excited about it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm very sleepy, guys. You think this is me talking, but this is zombie Frenchy talking here. I'm actually sleepwalking. That's how tired I am. But Mother Nature once again gives me the strength to achieve this little trek this morning. So very happy. Let's do it, guys. Let's go and check out this Dhankar Lake. Okay, all good. I found the track. Welcome to visit Dhankar Lake, and a few recommendations. No waste. Wow, I'm already breathless. What's going on, Frenchy? Get your shit together, young man. I mean, young man, not even young. Little man. Whoa. The Spiti River. Wow, and I love the sight of the crops as well, different levels. Crop levels, it's lovely. And the shade, the different shades on the mountain. That is so cool, guys. What a way to start the day. I'm actually awake now. My body is sleeping, but my mind is fully awake. Just need to buy a new lung. Maybe I can find one, a cheap one on OLX. I don't know. I found myself extremely breathless extremely quickly, in my opinion. I don't know, maybe it's the altitude as well. I'm gonna say like Fort Evropa. I think the lake is actually quite high, 14,000 feet or something. Anyway, I've got my backpack, got the drone, got some biscuits, got some water, and off we go. Looks like there is someone stalking me. Shanti, guys. And how pretty. The sun is not over the ridge yet, so it's not fully lighting up the Dhankar village, but it's still extremely beautiful and very, 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 very peaceful. Unreal. Okay, let's get going, because what's gonna happen, guys, I go there to the lake, chill a little bit, enjoy, take a few shots, then back down to Dhankar, pack up my stuff, go to Casa. Tonight I'll be staying in Casa, which is I believe the main town in Spiti, so that'll be good. And then tomorrow I want to go to another place, I forgot the name. Potentially do some camping if it's not too cold, because I saw the weather this morning and Casa is already... This is already much cooler. This is already much cooler than Nako or Kalpa, where I was before. But Casa is gonna be another drop in temperature, guys, so it's gonna be interesting. But for now, it's okay. Keep active, keep yourself warm, it'll be good.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Are you very courageous? You're coming back from the lake?
Yes.
Oh, good. Very well, very well. Okay.
You are from?
From France.
I think we had already met at the monastery.
Possibly yesterday,
yes.
Last night.
No, not yesterday, last night. I think 3 days back we met.
Here?
Not here.
Oh yeah, no.
I can't remember that name. That
Kalpa?
Kalpa.
Ah,
Yes.
you were in Kalpa?
Yes.
Yes.
I think
Yes.
so.
Good luck.
Good luck.
I mean, good luck. Good luck to me actually,
Have
because
a
you're
nice
already
journey.
you're almost done.
Yes, I'm done.
Awesome.
It is very beautiful, very serene. Just go there, man.
I am. I
Go,
can't
go.
wait. Beautiful, brother. Thank you so much. Tumhara din acha ho. Take care.
Tumhara din bhi acha ho, sir.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, this one is very courageous because if he's coming back down, he must have been there. Wow, he must have left at like maybe 5:30 this morning. Reached at around 6:30. Now it's 7:30. Wow. I thought I was kind of courageous. This man is next level. So you hear him, eh? He said it's very, what is the word he used? Serene. Serene. Oh, so pretty. We can see the sun is getting on top now. Okay guys, 30 minutes later, I think I'm about to reach the lake. It was actually not a super easy one, it was very short. But yeah, it's quite steep at the beginning, so definitely my last long is about to fall after this one. Looking forward to see how it is now because I think we are very, very close from it. Let's see guys, full power guys. As Krishna would say, full power. This is it. This is so peaceful. Listen. You can't hear anything, right? Well, that's normal. That's how silent it is. Wow! I was actually flying the drone on my way, as you saw, and I was actually a little nervous that there would be other people because the drone can be loud and it would disturb, you know, people's peace. But no, there is no one. There's absolutely no one. There was someone, remember, tracking behind me, so it should be coming shortly. But wow, this is wonderful. Unbelievable. Gonna walk around it. I'm a little hot, a little sweaty, but not enough to go for a dip. I think it's gonna be very, very cold water, and only the super brave. Wow, it is cold. It's actually not as cold as I thought it would be, but still. Salut! You know some French?
I know some.
How are you? What's your name?
My name is Abhijit.
Abhijit.
Je m'appelle Abhijit.
Yes! I found a French dude.
The lake has dried up.
How did you go?
I walked.
Yeah, I saw you, but how was it? Good?
It's okay. I have trekked. I did a trek just 5 days back.
Okay, so you are in good condition.
Yeah,
you are used to it.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool, man. Yeah, it's quite steep at the beginning, eh?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's so peaceful here.
It's very peaceful.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah, I was thinking I should get a notebook or something to write that. But
Yeah.
it has kind of dried up. I mean, that part, it's totally dried up. It's supposed to be, because this is a glacial lake, right?
Yes.
So when the glaciers melt, so water is supposed to fill up. And this is summer, so it's supposed to be filled up. I was expecting more water, but still it's very peaceful.
Yeah. So it's a glacial lake.
Glacial lake, yeah.
Glacial lake, yeah?
Yeah.
Didn't even know. Thanks for letting me know.
I'll just take a walk around.
Yeah, I'll go around the other side. So you heard the real trekker, not the rookie, the real guide. There's a cool temple there. That's a Buddhist temple, eh? Stupa. Yeah. Buddhist stupa, Buddha stupa. It's quite nice.
And that's the Maniranga peak.
The snowy one.
Maniranga peak.
Moniranga peak. Yeah, the peak up there. I don't know if the GoPro can pick it up, but there is a badass peak. I must be at least 5,000-6,000 meters. I have no fucking idea actually. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! 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 Oh, that was a bit silly. Very lucky my shoes are completely waterproof. Whoa! Look at the cracks in the soil. Wow, it's actually beautiful. Wow, so muddy. I need a mud guard for my shoes as well now. Wow, oof, so slippery, and it almost feels like a quicksand. When you step on it, you're going down right away. Well, yeah, someone will have to clean the shoe. I forgot my what I have to protect my neck because of my scar, and it's like I don't want to expose it too much to the sun, but that's how it is. Silly Frenchy. So with my new friend Abhijit, we found the best spot. The best spot in the lake. Look at that, guys. And now that's what we were saying, like the weather is all cleared up, the sky is all cleared up, and it feels like the mountains are like closer. It's all, we can see like in a much better way. It's lovely. It's a very interesting place. A lake in the middle of nowhere, considering how dry the surrounding is. You see, it's because it's so dry around here.
Yeah, it's a desert.
Yeah, and out of nowhere you've got a lake like that. It's unbelievable. So the water comes from, do you know where it comes from?
Comes from some glacier.
Isn't it? Look behind. We can see some...
No, the stream, when you're coming,
yeah,
coming that side, you could have seen the stream. There's a little stream that's coming. You can see the water. And there it is coming.
I was too busy catching my breath, bro. I was too busy dying. I was calling emergency. Okay guys, time to leave the place. It looks so different from when I arrived. Still the same peacefulness around it. It's lovely. Abhijit, you said you saw fishes?
Yeah, I saw 2 fishes.
Really?
I had read that there are no fishes.
Well, I didn't have breakfast, so they better be careful. So this obviously freezes during winter.
Yeah, but the water's supposed to come till here.
Oh, okay. So it's supposed to be a bigger lake. Yeah. Well, maybe because the glacier is also melting.
It should fill up faster, right?
Yeah. Or maybe the glacier is getting smaller in size, so it gives less water. Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, climate change is happening.
Just throwing assumptions. Wow, you see the nice colors now on the hills. It's more like a slightly orange.
Yeah.
The sand.
Very deserty.
Yeah, it is. It is. There's nothing really. And even the rocks, you see the rocks formation. They look like a big canyon or something. Like desert rocks.
So many big rocks.
Yeah. So now I'm not alone. I'm with a professional hiker, a guide, someone who can save my life if anything happens to me. If any wildlife were to attack us, it would be first line. I have a knife in my my backpack.
There's no wildlife here.
Well, no, by the look of it, there's absolutely nothing. We are the wildlife here, brother. And we are pretty wild. Yeah, it does look like we are walking in the middle of the desert now. It's crazy. I think we are not in India, we are in Nevada, USA.
You've been to Nevada?
Texas. No, I haven't. I'm just making things up. I don't even know what it looks like.
Yeah, we see in the movies, right?
Yeah. That's what I see in the movies, you know, cracked up
see that little
ground.
Stream there?
Yeah, I can see the stream, yeah.
That is where the water is from.
Oh, because I read online that we could drink some water from there, but it looks a bit too small. Unless you're ready to lick the ground. So Abhijit just gave me this smallest apricot I've ever seen in my life. That's so cute. Still very sweet, eh? Wow! Very good, eh?
Yeah.
So sweet. I don't even know there was like midget apricot like that. It's cool.
Someone gave it to me on the bus.
Really?
Yeah. I was coming from Rekong Peo to Tabo. So there's a village called Tabo, right?
Yes, I stopped in Tabo. Famous monastery there. So someone gave you apricot there?
On the bus.
I have to take the bus more often. But I travel with motorbikes. There's no one on the bike to give me apricots. Oh, that's a nice view from here too. Unreal. You see, because on the way up, we're just looking at the ridge.
I always look back.
You always look back, yeah? You're a little bit smarter than me.
That's what I learned in trekking, right? So when you trek, you have to always look back because you're missing out on a lot of things. When
Exactly. Exactly, and you're missing on views like that.
I just make a call.
Sure, bro. From here, wow.
Oh, you're up.
Wow.
So
Wow.
I was coming back from Dhankar Lake.
Wow.
There was no network there. The lake had kind of dried up, but it was still very peaceful.
Unreal.
Very peaceful.
Wow, so you see the colors, the, what do you call it, the lighting? Lighting, I think. My English is getting rusty, guys.
What are you doing?
The lighting is so different now. You still have the different shades on the rocks from the clouds, I guess. But now obviously the monastery is all lit up. The sunshine is striking hard. The sun is striking hard on the monastery. It's lovely. Wow. Okay. Almost back down. That was way easier on the way down, eh? Oh, so you say Nietzsche?
Nietzsche, down.
Nietzsche. I love Nietzsche. No problem. And now time for breakfast. I'm starving. And then, yeah, then right, as usual, as we do every day, guys. Let's try together once again. My new mate Abhijit is going on another trek later. You know, this was just breakfast trek for him. Then I will be lunch trek. And for supper, he's gonna go for Annapurna. You said to me you're going to a small village today?
Yeah, Mani.
Mani.
Mani, yeah.
And there is another trek for you there.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow or day after.
Even the best trekker needs to rest sometimes. Anyway, bro, it was an absolute pleasure to share that trek with you.
Pleasure for me.
And very impressed with your French skills. This guy speaks French better than me. And which is not very hard. Speaks English better than me, Hindi better than me, French better than me. What the heck? So yeah, anyway, it was a pleasure, man. I wish you all the best.
Wish you all the best too. Yeah.
Thank you, my brother.
Really?
And what is the name of it?
Buckthorn. It's right here.
Oh yeah, Buckthorn.
Yeah. It's
That's
very famous.
that's the juice.
Juice
right
tea.
here.
Yeah, very good.
Wow. So it's a local juice.
Yeah.
It grows here in the valley.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Shanti, sir. Oh, you
Wow, it's amazing. You can tell it's fresh fruit. It's amazing. It's exactly what I needed after the trek. Nice breakfast and a nice juice. Local juice.